How to see exactly who watches your Twitch stream most. So let me tell you guys, you cannot see an all-time ranking of who watches your stream the most on mobile. Twitch does not provide a lifetime or historical leaderboard of individual viewer watch time. However, you can see who is actively present in your current chat or stream or check general channel analytics. Now to view active users on mobile, what you have to do is open the Twitch mobile app, then tap the create button or access your stream manager. Then tap on your current viewers or open your stream chat and then tap the community icon, which looks like two people at the top or side of the chat box. Then view the list of users in chat, which shows logged in accounts currently viewing or in your chat room. Now to check channel analytics, what you have to do is tap the plus icon at the bottom, then tap create a dashboard. Now tap analytics. Since there is nothing to view here on my analytics, so you won't be able to see anything here. Then once you tap on analytics or stream summary tab, you can view your overall viewer demographics, average concurrency and returning chatters after your broadcast ends. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.